am Vishnupriya of Std-VII, standing before you to start our assembly on the topic inculcating ambitions in life from early age. The height of a person's existence lies not in his or her ability to survive but in discovering what to live for. Man is ambitious by nature. However, a good and positive ambition can build a good citizen. Ambition is a priceless, timeless, and highly valuable characteristic. Ambition means a strong desire to do or achieve something in the life. Ambition gives us aims, objects, goals, and targets of life. It gives us a sense of direction and motivation towards our goals in the life. Everybody has an aim in life. Aim or ambition is the inner desire of man. Ambition makes life challenging and challenges make life interesting. Ambition should always be individually inspired. So, our friends are waiting to inspire you with more interesting information on ambition, starting with prayer by Nitila Vinod.
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे. School prayer. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habits, where the mind is led forward by thee into our widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. உள்ளமெல்லாம் உன் ஒளி படர, ஊரெல்லாம் உன் புகழ் பாட, பாரெங்கும் உன் மக்கள் நல்வாழ்வு மலர, நாங்கள் உன்னை துதிக்கிறோம் நற்பெண் பாடி.
I'm Kanishka. Now I'm going to recite a poem on ambition. Let no one steal your dream. Let no one tear apart the burning of ambition, the fire that rises inside your heart. Let no one steal your dream. Let no one tell that you can't. Let no one hold your back. Let no one tell that you won't. Set your sights and keep them fixed. Set your sights on high. Let no one steal your dream. Your only limit is the sky. Let no one steal your dream. Follow your heart, follow your soul. For only when you follow them, you will feel truly whole. Set your sights and keep them fixed. Set your sights on high. Let no one steal your dream. Your only limit is the sky. Thank you. Now this prayer is continued with Tirukural by Harshini and Hindi thought by Sudiksha.
வணக்கம். திருக்குறளும் அதன் விளக்கமும். பிரிவு பொருட்பால் அதிகாரம் ஆழ்வினையுடைமை. குறள் எண் 620. குறள் ஊழையும் உப்பக்கம் காண்பார் உழைவு இன்றி தாழாது உயிற்றுபவர். விளக்கம் மனம் தளராமல் இடைவிடாத முயற்சி செய்பவர் விதியையும் புறமுதுகு காட்ட காண்பார். செயல்பட ஆர்வமாக இருப்பதே எல்லா வெற்றிக்கும் ஆதாரம். English couplet 620. Who strive with undismayed, unflattering mind, at length shall leave opposing fate behind. Couplet explanation. They who labor on without fear and without fainting will see even fate put behind their back. Those who never get tried or striving undoubtedly shall leave even fate behind and achieve their ambitions. Thank you.
नमस्ते. आज का विचार करेवाली के बिना महत्व कशा एक लक्ष्य है. इसे नीचे लेके और चाइल्डहुड से शुरू करें. यह दुनिया से विद्युत करने के लिए एक भव्य बात है. महत्व कशा ऐसे करने के लिए पृथ्वी का बहुत नमन है. यह सभी उद्यम के माता पिता और सभी सुधार का कारण है. Meaning, ambition without action is fantasy. Set a goal, write it down, and get started from childhood. It is a grand thing to raise in the world. With good ambition, a good and positive ambition can build a good citizen. Dhanyavad. Now the prayer is continued with English taught by Vikash.
Good morning. Everybody has an ambition in his life. Life without an ambition does not lead anywhere. We do not know where to go and what to do. A person with a set ambition sets his goals well in advance. He does not sleep. His eyes are always on his ultimate goal. He cannot be misled by other temptations. He is master at his luck. He does not believe in destiny. He works very hard. His energy does not go waste. He goes on and on forcefully. His health does not fail him. Failures do not change his mood to change his track. Ambition is a great incentive to work. If we have an ambition, we can pursue it all over life and never feel tired. It drives us on and on, quite tirelessly. We must decide early in life whether we want to become a doctor, an engineer, a teacher, a, a lawyer, a banker, join Indian Administrative Service or Indian Foreign Service, join Army, Air Force or Navy, or become a commercial pilot or a scientist, philosopher, a sport person, a writer or a poet, a musician or an artist. The whole world is open before us, and we should make up our mind about our career as early as possible and inculcate an ambition from this young age. Thank you. Now the prayer will be continued with a poem recital by Kanishka.
Good morning. Poem on beautiful ambition. Listen, I'm not just daydreaming and wishing. I'm bursting with ambition thirsting. I drank wisdom poured out in mom's kitchen. She fed me hope and that extends vision. I saw many possibilities. I planned thinking. I thought so big. I saw the future winking, showing me what is possible. My eyes glistened. Inside, belief has risen though. I have fallen due to hard collisions. Hard collisions with obstacles made my goals seem impossible. Those who can't see themselves shining, take less of you, will be like mocking you. If they make fun of you, just keep running through the fields of dreams and see them coming true. Take steps with ambition burning in your chest. Work hard and be prepared for what's next. Hold on, press on, be strong, filled with beautiful ambition. Thank you. Now Soumya will continue.
Good morning. Tips on how to be more ambitious in life. Ambition is something that you can create within yourself. It is the raw desire to achieve or succeed in a goal. People who are successful in life are described as ambitious. They attract attention and get the best out of life needs the excitement of achievement. Here is how to be more ambitious in life and achieve more. Target a very big ambition in goal. Do not be scared to take risks. Be willing to invest time in your ambition. Expose yourself to new methods of thought. Be consistent. Eliminate your negative thoughts and promote positive ones. Focus on attaining knowledge, not in success or recognition. Do not wait for perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. Stay committed towards your ambition. Stop being relaxed about your goals. Push beyond your limits and achieve your biggest goals. Keep track of your progress. Target a big and very ambitious goals by breaking them down. Let your ambition grow up. Celebrate every success. Adjust your mindset. Embrace bigger challenges than you think you are capable of. Go for what is unknown to you. Visualize yourself at the next level. Eliminate your weakness. By pushing beyond your limits, you can become everything that you wanted to be. You can achieve your dreams and leave a lasting legacy. The tips above can help you to achieve this. Apply them in your life to observe a gradual positive transformation towards your ambition. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. We should start preparations to realize our ambitions as early in life as possible. Our attitudes and attributes during that period can indicate with fair accuracy what we shall be in future. Ambition makes you healthy, wealthy and wise. Talent and ability by themselves cannot ensure success. They can lead to success only if they are supported by hard work and with good positive and progressive ambition. We must be prepared to refine and reform our plans to suit the situations that we face as we move on to achieve our ambition. I conclude our assembly by thanking our esteemed correspondent sir and our beloved principal ma'am for giving us this opportunity. Closing prayer. Loga samasta sugino bhavantu लोगा समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोगा समस्ता सुखिनो